Hello and welcome to the 43rd Annual Orange County Black History Parade and Unity Festival. This is the City of Anaheim's signature event, so hold on to that spot you got. There's lots of fun and excitement coming right down Anaheim Boulevard.
I am so excited that Anaheim is the host of the only Black History Parade. We have such amazing folks here, from our public safety officers to our high schools and community groups, here to really celebrate what a special month Black History Month is. The contributions of African Americans to not just Anaheim, but throughout the country. We welcome you. It's going to be a day of fun. It's going to be a day of celebration. So if you have a chance, come down and celebrate with us, and welcome to Anaheim.
Communities coming out, celebrating diversity that is in our neighborhoods, and just really great seeing all these smiling faces and saying hello.
You got a chance to go to the festival as well?
Not yet, but I will be going afterwards. It's been a lot of fun. I went last year, and I'm looking forward to it again this year.
Good morning and welcome from downtown Anaheim. We're celebrating the 43rd anniversary of the Black History Parade. And it's great. We got folks, we got bands, we got horses. It's a lot of fun. Anaheim's very flattered, honored to have hosted this parade over the last several years. So let's go ahead and have some fun.
Who's that pretty face next to you?
And I'd like to introduce my wife, Susan, married 50 years this last August.
Good morning. This is a wonderful celebration. Okay? I love it.
Hi, thank you. I'm so excited to be here. This is actually my district that I represent, so it's a great honor to host the parade in District 3.
You had a chance to get over to the Unity Fest?
I have not yet, but I plan to be there later with my family.
Okay, we've got our Grand Marshal with us. Hello, welcome to the City of Anaheim.
Oh, thank you. I feel like this is home away from home. I love Anaheim. How are you?
Tell us what you're into these days.
Oh, we're having a lot of fun. 102.3 KJLH. We love our Anaheim listeners. Had to come out here and bring love from our owner, Mr. Stevie Wonder, and our morning show, the Steve Harvey Morning Show. My name is Ade Lamar, and you listen to me from 6 to 10, and it's so good to be here again.
Bobby McDonald, we're Iron Riders, Buffalo Soldiers, the gentlemen at 25th Infantry that went 41 days, 1,900 miles from Fort Missoula, Montana, all the way to St. Louis, Missouri on bicycles. And it's their 125th anniversary this year.
Okay, we've got the COC group here with us, Corvettes of Choice, and here's the main man. I call him Stingray, Ray Bonham. How are you, sir?
Great. How are you, Ron? Good to see you.
Good to see you out here again. You guys never miss.
We try to participate, man. We love this parade.
What makes it so special, man?
Just seeing all the people that come out, man. I mean, we just never expected this amount of people to come out, man, and just the love that they show. So, yeah, we'll always be a part of it for as long as they have us, So.
Go, Jackie!
What comes after the parade? It's the Unity Festival. It features music, food, trucks, vendors, health screenings, and a car and motorcycle show.
So on behalf of Anaheim, thank you for coming and thank you for allowing us to host the Black History Parade. So Anaheim is home to about 10,000 African American residents, and they are part of the rich diversity that makes our city great. And we know that today is a day of celebration. So whatever your background, I hope that you are enjoying this big family reunion. Now, how many of you were here for the parade? All right, that was fun. Note to myself next year, I'm wearing different shoes when I do that walk. But it was so nice to see so many people come together for that. And what a thrill for me, as the first female mayor of Anaheim, to have my first parade be the Black History Parade.